Okay, what you have to do first is to go to where Stable Diffusion is located, and then here what you have to do is to simply delete everything and write cmd. Now we open command prompt, and here you have to write the following command. You have to enter the following command. So here make sure you write pimp install open cv python, exactly like this. Now enter. Okay, and now let's move to the next step. And here what you have to do to install ControlNet, you can install all the files, but keep in mind this will take some time. The files are pretty huge, 5 gigabytes. So these files aren't small at all. So yeah, you can test some of them. You can test this one, depth, scribble, and open pose. Test, you can even download only one, test that, and then delete the file if you don't have enough memory, if you don't have enough space on your computer. So after you downloaded your file, one or all of them, depends, just copy the files, and then with Control X, so we can cut them, Control X, and then go to Stable Diffusion, Extensions, ControlNet, and then in the Models. And here we have, in Models, we have all the files. Now I downloaded all the files. Took some time, takes time, so if you want to download all the files, make sure you have the time to leave your computer on and just do other stuff, whatever. But yeah, just now Control V to paste the files you cut. And now what we have to do is to now the next step, copy the link here and paste this link here in extensions and install from link. Paste this link, click on install, and now what you have to do is to click on here installed and click apply and restart UI. Alright, and now this is what you should see there. You should see ControlNet, and here you should have all the scripts here. Okay, so that's pretty much how you install this script, ControlNet. Okay, now after we install ControlNet, now we can open Stable Diffusion, and here over here we have ControlNet. Just expand this, and here, as you can see, we have a bunch of options. I'm gonna start with processor and select Kenny and also Kenny here. And if you don't see here in the model and processors, by the way, just click on the refresh button. And another thing you can do is to go to extension and click on apply and reset UI. All right, make sure you click on enable, and you can also here click if you have some low virtual RAM. That's good as well. And you can also select the low resolution, the one I have here. You can copy the same one. And now let's write here sketch of a man fighting. Okay, click on generate. everything it's all right here, and yeah, it should work fine. Okay, it's loading. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, also like to try just like the result is not bad, but like to try fighting pose. That's it, just fighting pose. Let's see. Or we can also try sketch of man in a fighting position. How about that? Okay, and now we can also try another model and work to image. But now let's wait to see the result. Okay, this is perfect. Now we can click on I like to send to image. There's another way as well, to text to image, and you can follow from there as well. But I like to click on send to image, and now here we have the image, and here we have ControlNet expand. And now let's try a different model, depth, and depth here. Make sure you enable, and here you can select canvas resolution, and let's click on generate. So we can click select here, just resize, and here we have another result. Okay, but obviously we need to change the prompt now and write here something different. Here I can write something main fighting with a sword in hand, and also let's add some black smoke of fire in background. Okay, and now let's click on generate. Make sure you enable, you have the right processor and the right model, depth and depth. Here the weight. If you increase the weight, it will resemble more our image, and if you decrease, it will just avoid our image. Okay, this is the result. Now the hand placement is not the right way, and is also not the sword, it's just positioned in a wrong way. Yes, so the hand does not hold the sword, and is positioned incorrectly, but otherwise it looks just fine, because just respected our prompt. So it's like drawing, as you can see, using colors. Okay, actually let's change this and write the man has a sword in his hand. Okay, generate. And okay, now we also can write with can add some different, maybe the man has a sword in his hands with a soldier, and Yeah, let's try this. Okay, and this looks pretty good. Looks very good actually. I really like the line, the colors. Yes, so yeah. Now let's try a different model. Depth, we have the next one here with the same prompt. And yeah, this is the result. We can also write maybe it will change something beautiful face. What about that? We also have another models here, Scribble. Actually, let's try Scribble. If you have any guys feedback, can leave your feedback in the comments section, because I do want to improve my videos. Or if you have any suggestions for the next Stable Diffusion video, please let me know in the comments section. I really want to know your feedback. Okay, not bad. And actually, let's write here, let's try something else. Let's actually sketch something, create a blank canvas, and here let's why not the same pose we have here? Hand, and now here we have and okay, this looks awful if you ask me. But let's see what the results we get. Let's remove this one and let's click on generate. If you go here, you can see exactly more details with this model I'm using right now here. Not this, which one it is? Okay, this one. You can create, as you can see, preserve many details and input images and make app suitable for recoloring and stylizing. And these results look very good. Pretty awesome. Yeah, looks like a painting. And another prompt here by using the same model. Okay, I couldn't get a result. There was a problem with my internet connection, but let's try something else. I'm gonna try something like this. I'll try a very simple car. Okay, and let's see, car, and here enable, scribble, and scribble, generate. Okay, again, attribute error, non-type object has no attribute to convert. Why is that? Oh, why I was getting this error right here, because I was in image to image. It was my fault, but now it works. But I don't like exactly. Let's maybe write here truck, and let's generate. Okay, and this is the result for car. But what if I I'll try something different. What if I draw something different here? Okay, what if I draw here a chair? Okay, a very simple chair. Let's see. Okay, this is not bad. Looks like a chair. So, yeah. Oh, I forgot to select the model here. Let's see now. Okay, we have a different result. But yeah, that's overall the results, what you can do with ControlNet. Please let me know in the comment section your feedback, and if there's something that you know, please let me know. I always want to learn. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching and take care. Thank you for watching this video.